Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make raw bread. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. We will need flax seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds and some nuts, all of them soaked all night. Of course, there isn't just one way to make it. The best thing is you can experiment with the ingredients and every time you achieve different flavor. You can add tomatoes or onions if you like them, but every time you have to blend everything together and leave it to dry. Now we have to add spices. I will add some salt, turmeric, sweet pepper, rosemary, black pepper, and of course cheese flakes. We have to mix everything together. There are two ways to dry our bread. We can form a loaf, but then we have to remember to slice it a bit after an hour or two. Thanks to that, it will dry better inside. Second way is just to spread it on the whole form. Now we have to divide the bread into pieces. If our form has right sides, it's better to move the mass a bit from them. Otherwise, the bread will just stick to the form. So now we have nothing left to do but leave it to dry. Remember to not exceed 45 Celsius degrees. Bon appetit and successful experiments!